Around 20,000 years ago, the La Brea tar pits ecosystem in Los Angeles was a cold, moist Pleistocene environment teeming with Ice Age megafauna like dire wolves, saber-toothed cats, mammoths, and bison, alongside early humans, all part of a rich fossil-preserving landscape that included tar, plants, and diverse wildlife. Today, we follow Aslan, an old saber-toothed cat, born in the harsh lands of La Brea, with power, strength, and intelligence. Aslan has ruled his territory for many years, weighing up to 160 to 280 kilograms, 350 to 620 pounds, and height of 100 centimeters 39. In weighing more and being incredibly stronger than an average lion, this large cat is a powerhouse built for strength and endurance. With the dry season in full effect, all prey has moved south in search of water. Aslan has not made a kill in 5 days. He is starving, and if he doesn't eat soon, he faces a fate that no animal wants to face. He catches the scent of a nearby western horse, also known as Equus occidentalis, a now extinct species of horse. These large beasts were enough to keep an adult cat fed for a long time. These animals require patience, precision, and right timing. Equus occidentalis likely ran similarly fast to modern wild horses, potentially reaching speeds of 50–55 miles per hour in short bursts, while saber-tooths only run 30 to 40 miles per hour with that of being an ambush predator. Smilodon likely lived in social groups or prides for cooperative hunting and to care for the injured, as evidenced by heel fractures in fossils from La Brea tar pits, suggesting communal support rather than solitary survival. Young cats would leave their birth pride in adolescence around 2 years, living transiently before forming their own groups, with males sometimes competing for leadership, creating new family units for hunting large prey. Their complex social structures and specialized hunting led to success, but also contributed to extinction as prey and environment changed. As he gets closer, the smell becomes stronger. The horse is close by. Target has been spotted. He crouches down to the ground, sneaking up closer, waiting for the right time to strike. At last, a well-deserved meal, though not easy to catch. The dry season has decided to give Eslin's life an extra boost.